Hello fashion mates, this is Mr. Matured once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to perfectly sew your side front pocket for your trouser. So if it is something you find interesting, please do well to watch this video to the very end and ensure that you will subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload any content of this sort, you are going to be notified in the first place. On this channel I upload videos that will help you upgrade your fashion skills, even if you are a beginner or if you are an advanced fashion designer. I have already cut the trouser, so if you have not watched my video on how to perfectly cut your trouser, do well to watch the video in the description box below, or I'm going to leave the card that is showing up on your screen right now. So do well to watch the video so that we will sew along together. Without further talking, let's get into the video proper. So these are my front pieces. So what I'm going to do is to indicate my notches and my markings. On the waistline, I'm going to mark from the side 2 inches, and also it can be from your own preference, and the length is going to be 7.5. remember, half inch is going to be sewn away, so it is going to remain 7 inches. When you make it 7 inches, your pocket is going to be small. So what I'm doing now is to notch the side. It is very important to create this notch. Support the growth of our channel just by clicking the like button. Okay, hit the like button right now. I will now go ahead to cut my pocket sack. So the pocket sack that I cut, the width is 7 inches and the length was 15 inches. Alright, so this is on fold. Remember, it is on fold. Before I show you the shape that I have cut, remember it was square. Okay, it was full square on fold. You can see the brace is showing you that it was on square. So what I did was, it was flat like this, and then I placed the side of my trouser on it, okay, like this, and then I shift the main fabric away from the waistline about 3/4 inch or maybe 1 inch. I use my scissors to trace the shape out like this. You can see what I'm indicating over there. And then I followed the notch on the side also to my pocket sack, right? And then on the upper side too, I notch exactly on my pocket or on my waistline, and then I remove it. So from the notch part, I measure 2 inches downwards, okay, and then what I did was to shape the down part of it like this. Okay, you can see what I'm doing there. That's how I achieve my pocket sack. I cut it into 2 pieces because one is going to be for the left and one is going to be for the right. So far, if you like this video, do well to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. So this is my pocket facing. Okay, this is my pocket facing. It is very important to cut your pocket facing. So what I'm going to do is to place my front piece on it. It's exactly what I did to the pocket sack is what I'm going to repeat here. Okay, to achieve this is when you cut the front part of your trouser, you are going to get this piece. So it is of no measurement. Remember, it is on 2 pieces. You are going to cut 2 pieces and you are going to place your front piece on it like this to get this shape that you created. And also remember to notch the sides and everything that you did over there. You can see the notches, and you are going to come down by the same 2 inches that you did for the pocket sack. Okay, so now that we are done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you are going to place it. So this is how you are going to place it. You can see what I have done there. It is very simple. I'm going to now fold the front piece, okay, not the side where the notch is. I'm going to fold about 0.3 on both sides of the facing. Okay, look at what I'm doing there. If you are in Ghana and you are a fashion designer and you are looking forward to upgrade your fashion skills, look no further. I have a course for you for a long-term and a short-term upgrade courses. So do well to contact us and we will give you the details. So on the upper side, it was 2 inches that I said you mark. Now you are going to notch, and then what you are going to do is you are going to tear up your color gum, as they call it, or your interface. I cut about 1 inch and I divided it into 2. I went on to trim off the edges. When you tear the color gum, you see the face is going to be raw, and I'm going to place it about 0.3 inches away from the notch, okay, and then I'm going to let it locate the 2 inches mark I mark for the upper side. So after doing that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all my pieces to the serger to overlock the edges. Now I'm done with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a little press, and it is very important to give a little press for my 2 panels. Everything that I'm doing on one side, I'm going to replicate it on the other side as well. I welcome you to the sewing part of it. So this is my face, and I'm going to pick up the pocket sack itself, and then what I'm going to do is to pick one and then start sewing them. So I'm going to make sure the one that I pick is going to be a match to the pocket sack, and I'm going to let the notches match each other, and then I'll go ahead and pin it. It is very important to pin this side if you are a beginner, okay? It is very important. So far, if you like this video, do well to hit the like button and ensure that you are going to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for more of this tutorial. So I'll go ahead and stitch it all round, okay? Removing my pins, I will repeat the same to the other side like this. You can see what I'm doing over there. You see that I showed you for a beginner and for advanced, okay? This part is to sew it to my front panel. Remember, our courses are designed to sweeten a beginner, an intermediate, advanced, and even masters. So don't miss out. Make sure you pick up your form and know the details were on our courses. So now let's continue. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to place wrong side of the pocket sack to the wrong side of my trouser self. You can see what I'm indicating over there. I'm going to let it match on this and make sure that the facing is going to face the side, and I'm going to turn it over like this and ensuring that the notches are matching each other. So I'm going to start my stitching. Stitch away from the crease line that you created, okay? You can see what I'm indicating. Stitch at least 0.1, okay, and notch it down. So far, if you are liking this video, do well to hit the like button and ensure to share our videos. So after sewing that part, what you are going to do is to shift the main fabric away like this, and then trim off the pocket sack, okay, to allow the stitching to be flat and not to create any bulges. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stitch my style line like this to hold the side about 0.25 like this. You can see what I'm doing there. So this is how I go about it. So after stitching, I'm going to cut off my pieces, turn it over and open the inside, and then I'm going to stitch the remaining fabric to the pocket as you can see me doing. So now if you like this video, do well to hit the like button, and don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section as well. So this is it. So now I'm going to close my pocket. You can now pause the video and check out some of the courses you are going to learn in our upgrade fashion training, okay? So ensure that the notches are going to match each other and ensure that the shape is going to follow up. Now I'm going to turn on the inside and fold my pocket sack inside out, okay, like this, and then I'm going to stitch on the side about 1/4 inch or 0.25. So after stitching it, what I'm going to do is to notch the curvy part of the stitch, okay, of the sack, so that it's going to relax perfectly. I will turn it outside in and use my scissors to level up the stitch, okay, and I'll go ahead to top stitch it this way. So here are some things you are going to learn in our course. You are going to learn about fashion illustration for both male and female, pattern drafting for both male and female. You are going to learn about pattern adaptation, where you can use it to create any style of your choice. You are going to learn about bustiers, different types, corsets, different types, suits, all standards, and then many more. So do well to be part of it. Just pick up our WhatsApp number on your screen right now and contact us. So this is it, and then what I'm going to do next is to match up the notches and then go ahead to top stitch the pocket to the body's self. All right, and then remember, we measure 2 inches away from the side. I'm going to mark my 2 inches this way, and then I'll go ahead to place my hand on it stiffly and then stitch the pocket to the body self. All right, so this is how it is going to be. It is very simple and easy. Now that we have stitched it, we are done with that. So what I'm going to do now is to measure the side to see my 7.5 inches. So you can see my 7.5 inches matches exactly the notch. So I'm going to cut off the remaining excess on the waistline. So it is very simple. Now what I'm going to do is, from that notch, 0.3 notch, I'm going to do a tagging stitch. Okay, I will go ahead and do the tagging stitch, and then from the waistline downwards, from the pocket entry, what I'm going to do is to mark 1 inch downwards like this, and on that 1 inch mark is to do a tag stitch as well on the other side. So this is the final result of our side front pocket for our trouser, and then this is it. You can see it is very simple and easy and precise. So if you want to learn more, you can click on the video that is shown on your screen right now to learn more. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, and then also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much for being with us till the end of this particular video. Remember, upgrade is a must. See you in our next video.